everybody. This is your host Hayden, today on the RC Masters channel. I hope you enjoy this video today. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and go check out our Facebook page. Or, as I'll leave a link in the description, it's just spelt exactly the same. We do a lot of content on here with aircraft at the moment is the main thing. Got a few RC cars. Currently looking at getting boats, but that's going to take a little bit. Go check it out. What we basically cover is just a quick rundown. We cover the basic DIYs, as what I'm currently doing up here on the ARF, the WildStar 40, and we do repairs or even tips and tricks, or even if you need help with deciding on what you want, because we research things and go through them and make sure they're fine. As hence a few of the aircraft around here, I've been testing them, reviewing them. You'll have a few reviews videos this week, and yeah, hope you like it. Cheers guys. This is my favourite planes at the moment that are going to be relocated to the roof somewhere up here. We've got the Sky Raider, the Tempest, the P-51 Mustang, the Cub, and the Turbo Timber. It's a little bit of my aircraft collection. Still got some more, but they obviously don't need to be shown, as they need two are working on. Reason why the Turbo Timber only has two prop at the moment, because I'm currently waiting on a massive shipment of 3 blades, because I've had 2 break. But these 2 aircraft here, we've done some thrust testing, and I gotta say, the output on these motors are crazy compared to the big ones. Like they push some air, but for the size of these bad boys, especially the small fellas, they pump. I'm happy to see them in the sky eventually. But that's about it, guys, on this video. This is just a quick hangar show. I'll go through each individual plane separately shortly, just saying the good characteristics, what I had to do to put them together, and we'll go through that shortly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the Facebook page, send us some videos or photos of your own so we can compare with your hangars. Just currently rearranging this whole segment, so I'll see you in the next video, and have a good night, guys. Cheers.